Hey guys, I just want to do a quick video. This is like a tool tip. I use a lot of these little screwdrivers, and I've had these for a while. And look at this. They don't look so new anymore. This one's all right, but this is like all goopy. This soft coating is just turning sticky and nasty. And this one, I can feel that it's starting to go too. But I hate throwing stuff away. These still work great, so I came up with an idea. I'm going to show you how it works. This is a shrink wrap tubing, and I use it for electronics and stuff, but this is going to work out just fine. I'm going to cut off a piece, just about to there. And we're going to heat it on. All right, we're just going to slide this in and hit it with a heat gun. As you can see, that's so much better. Let's do another one. All right, I love it. As you can see, these are so much better now. All the goop is sealed inside. They still have a nice soft grip, and they will last me for many years to come. Anyway, quick, easy tip. Hope it works for you. Maybe you've got some other goopy tools, who knows. Anyway, if you like this, please give us a thumbs up, like the video, maybe consider subscribing to see some other good stuff. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great day.